Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's a recipe one and it's 3 different recipes using noodles. Who doesn't love noodles? I have had a lot in my childhood and I still love. Rather than just using only the spice mix that comes along with it, I normally make adding veggies or meat. So thought of sharing with you all what I had prepared on different days. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. So let's begin with mushroom noodles. Now in this noodles I have added capsicum and carrots. You can even add any other veggies like beans, cabbage and such. And I have even included eggs. Vegetarians can skip the eggs. You can slice the mushrooms. I like it chunky in the noodles, so have chopped it. I have used 1 capsicum and 1 carrot. Slice 2 juliennes. Now in all the recipes I have used a total of 4 packs of noodles. Do increase or decrease the quantity of the ingredients as per the total number of packs you are using. Many of you keep asking me my knife brand. It's Tramontina. I hope I'm pronouncing it right and shall share the link for this in the description box. But I keep it sharp by using a knife sharpener. Only then I can chop or slice the way I need. As I said, vegetarians can skip the egg. Heat some butter and add very little oil so that the butter doesn't burn. Add some salt and pepper into the egg and whisk. Pour the egg into the hot butter. Now you can scramble it immediately if you want. I wanted big pieces, so frying on one side for a minute and a half. I'm not an expert in flipping. I cut the eggs into pieces and flipped it. Fry it till light brown and then transfer it. Add some more butter and a dash of oil to avoid burning. Then goes 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger garlic green chillies. Separately I would say you would need 5 green chillies, a small piece ginger and 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Saute till the raw smell goes. Then goes in the mushrooms and saute for 2 minutes. If you feel the mixture is dry, you may add more oil or some butter. A drizzle of water would also be fine. Then goes in the capsicum and carrots. Keep mixing for a minute. Add a teaspoon of red chili flakes, quarter teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon basil leaves. Now these are flavorings you may skip if you don't have, but adding will give a good taste. In this recipe I'm adding the masala mix that comes along in the pack. For 4 pack noodles I added 2 sachets of the mix. Mix and keep aside. Now time to cook the noodles. I've used Indome noodles here. Though the pack says we need to cook only for 3 minutes, I used to cook for 5 to 6 minutes thinking 3 minutes wouldn't be enough, and I end up with a cloggy or mushy noodles. 3 minutes is the perfect timing. 3 minutes goes really quickly, so I set alarm in my phone. Now to this add the drained noodles and mix well. You don't have to switch on the flame. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and mix. Toss well and add the fried eggs. Time for serving. And that's the delicious mushroom noodles. Do give it a try. Next is prawns noodles in coconut cream. For vegetarians, instead of prawns, I would suggest broccoli, which would go well for this recipe. Here I've taken half kilo prawns cleaned, seasoned with some salt, black pepper, red chili flakes and a spoon of coconut oil. Mix well. Fry the prawns in oil for 5 to 6 minutes on one side. Do not overcook or else it would be rubbery. You need to chop onion. Since the onion I had was small, I chopped 3. You may use 1 large. After 5 to 6 minutes, turn the prawns to the other side and fry again. Once ready, take out all the prawns and switch off the flame. Chop 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. You may crush it in a mortar and pestle or chop as shown. Then green chillies as per your need. I use 6. You need to cook the rest in the same pan, so switch on the flame. Saute garlic and green chillies first. Keep on medium heat and when the raw smell leaves, saute the chopped onion. You may use fresh coconut milk. Here I used 5 tablespoons of coconut powder mixed with 1 cup water. Give a mix to the onion. Let it turn golden brown but make sure it doesn't burn. To this add fresh cream 100 grams. Now if you get coconut cream, you can use that instead of mixing these two. But if you don't have, do as shown. Add this to the pan and mix well. Season with some salt and pepper. Once it starts to bubble, turn off the heat. Cook the noodles for 3 minutes or as per your pack instructions. Add the drained noodles. Add the fried prawns. Toss everything really well. It's time to serve. And there you have your creamy coconut prawns noodles. Do give this a try, it's divine. Next is noodles in minced meat or Kheema noodles, whatever you may call. Name doesn't matter for me, not even the looks. Taste actually matters. Now for vegetarians, I would suggest soy Kheema, or you can add lots of veggies and prepare the same way. Now many of you had asked me how I wash minced meat. I remember someone asking me why the meat looks white in color. Actually, I don't have a meat mincer at home, so I buy it from the store. And I wash before using. Now how I wash it is I add the minced meat into a bowl, add water and salt, just rub well and strain. Now this strainer has got really tiny holes so the meat doesn't drain out. I wash it couple more times and that's it. Heat some oil, add crushed ginger and garlic, saute till light brown. Adding 1 onion and 1 large potato chopped. in between cooking, this is really annoying. Add the keema or the minced meat for 2 minutes. Then add 2 large tomatoes chopped or sliced. You may even blend and add, it's up to you. Cover and cook on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes on low flame. Adding chopped capsicum. You can even add frozen peas. I didn't have it with me. Now pour hot water. For one packet, I have taken 1 1/4 cup water. It depends on the type of noodles you use. Mine is Indome brand. Now if you want, you can pour 1 cup water first and then add more if needed. So for 4 packs of noodles, I have added a total of 5 cups hot water. Add some salt. Now I have skipped the masala mix for this and the previous one, that's the prawns noodles. It doesn't need any tastemakers. Add more salt if needed. Once it's almost cooked and there's little water left, spread some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Now you can keep it covered on low flame and cook till the cheese is melted. I kept in the oven that was preheated at 180 degrees Celsius and then bake for 10 minutes. In fact, this gives a good taste and texture, but it's totally fine to cook on stove top. You have to wait till the cheese melts. And that's ready. This is a very flavorful noodles. It won't be that dry type of noodles you are looking for. For me, this tasted something close to a spicy biryani with lots of masala in it. So that's for today's recipes. Hope you all would try it out and send me your feedback. I'm sure my little viewers would be craving for noodles now. I'll be waiting for your pictures. Just love getting them. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.